At Danville, it was partly... Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Appomattox County and central Virginia, western Charlotte County, Campbell County and central Virginia, northeastern Pittsylvania County, northwestern Halifax County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rustburg, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brookneal, Concord, Rustburg, Hodges, Cody, Mike, and Head Creek. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Pittsylvania, Virginia. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WXL42 operating on frequency 100.
Is there any other reason as to what is the most I go to WXL42 forwards for than Pittsylvania County, Virginia? I don't know. But they're the county that I get the most out of warnings through WXL42. Not all the time, but definitely sometimes. In fact, I've pretty much got a handful of warnings for Pennsylvania, particularly SVRs, especially past ones. And that says Pennsylvania County is far over here. Right around here is WXL42's county area. Pennsylvania County is far out over there. And here I am picking WXL42. Wait, wrong map. And here I am picking WXL42 from over here for warning over here as I'm over there. So yeah, just another one of those times that I get a warning for this county through WXL42.